New variable in a panda data frame which counts consecutive values. I have a panda data frame, which is imported from Excel, is made up of two variables. If is just a number, the other is a boolean for if the number is at the range. I want to create a new variable which counts consecutive true vales. I read a little online and I think the new variable could use consecutive counts, but I am not sure how to implement it into this data frame. The final data frame should look something like this. I am very new to Python, so sorry if the question isn't worded correctly.
I have used my own data as the input. Column A corresponds to your outrange column and B corresponds to count column. Please test with your actual data.
Use vectorized solution with replace t-values. Performance.
Perhaps easier with a dictionary.